Hey guys, we received this BINCA Wonder Foil Art Kit for Test and Try Dinos and Dragons. This is a really greeting card making kits for the kids so they can design their own greeting cards or the colors they want to choose to give it to someone they like or they want to share their cards with them. So really nice with the stickers and the greeting cards or the mess free craft activity as you don't need to do any like coloring or anything. Everything is built up, comes in this nice box with the name you can put or the kit belongs to thing. So very nice design come of this thing. So first let me just unbox and show it to you. So these are the cards with a nice quality of the paper and the envelopes that comes with it. So they have 100 stickers, one pick tool, 12 DIY greeting cards, 12 envelopes and 100 foil sheets. So these stickers you can use on your cards and also on the envelope. So this is like the pick tool and everything, and let me just show you first the quality of the cards. So the card quality is really good, and you see like this white thing on top of it, so that you have to peel this white stuff and then put the foil. So I will show you that process, but the quality of the card is also good. It's a nice heavy duty card and the nice vibrant colors as well. So these are the foil sheet of different colors that you can use to decorate your cards. So all these nice colors. So see like you have to peel this white thing carefully from the top of this card and then put this foil on top of it. You press it and then this will get this color. So you can use all these different type of the sheets with the different colors, and you can use, or you can use this tool just if you want to, but you don't need to. You can just use your fingers and then apply a little pressure and this will stick on it. See, so this looks really good, and of course bright colors here, and you can use like all the different foils. I'm just for the testing purpose using one foil, but there are different type of foils like the green, blue, yellow or the sparkly one that you can use along with this. And I also find it really interesting to like use it as a stencils or like a carbon paper thing. See like so for example, if you want to just write the name in the different colors, you can use this sheets and then write whatever you want in those different colors. So really great, and then sparkly cards that you can create. See like the name and the things with the different colors and the style you want to use, all these different sheets that you can use with the different colors. And see this will all comes up here. So nice overall, very nice interesting idea, and to create the greeting cards with these sheets, mess free things that the kids can create and give it to their loved ones on their birthdays or any other occasions. These envelopes are provided, so you can just easily put it in an envelope or use the stickers and give it anywhere.